Welcome. Hello friends, myself Neeraj Kumar Singh, and in this podcast I am going to cover how to pick a niche for your blog plus 30 plus niche ideas. So let's jump into it. Picking a niche for your blog is hard, extremely hard. If you choose the wrong niche, it can't be undone. You will be wasting both your time and money when you are in the wrong niche. So how to choose a niche that helps you make money in the long run? So let's get started. Know your interest. If you are planning to start a blog to make a living in the long run, you should definitely consider your passion or interest, experience or skills. Ask yourself these questions. Where are you good at? Which skill do you have? What interests you? Is this topic profitable? Do some research and find sites that are earning money in that topic. Can I blog on the same topic even after 5 years? Or does this topic teaches me something even after a few years? Come up with the 5 to 10 niche ideas, then find out profitability. Check for products, analyze all the sites that are already successful in the niche so you can easily filter out unwanted niche ideas. Do some keyword research and use metrics. Keyword, keyword research is the ultimate way to find a trending or popular niche. You can use tools like SEMrush to easily come up with a ton of niche ideas. The key here is to use the right metrics including search volume, search trend. You can also use Google Trends to check the trend of a keyword or topic. CPC, cost per volume, should be as high as possible. Cost per click. Competition. Don't find a niche with too much competition or zero competition. It should have a decent amount of products and enough searches so you can build a successful site in the long run. Now, go narrow. When it comes to niche selection, it's a smart idea to go narrow. It's almost impossible to create an authority in the technology niche as you can't compete with authority sites like Mashable, TechCrunch and so on. That's why you need to select a niche where you can define an unmet or undeserved needs, create great content in one specific topic and dominate that small market. If you are trying to launch your new blog in a heavily crowded market, you will face a tough uphill battle against other big websites in that niche, so don't make that mistake. Here's a great illustration that shows you how to easily find the sweet spot in the niche selections. So you have to decide like which is warmer, better or the sweet spot. Okay, so make sure to consider things you love such as SEO, blogging, YouTube, etc. Things you are good at such as SEO, copywriting, web design, etc. Things people want such as keyword research, link building, email marketing, etc. The key is to find the sweet spot and pick the right niche. Okay, let's now discuss some of the popular and trending niche ideas that you can consider to create a new blog in 2020. So 30 plus profitable niche ideas for you. If you are curious to know about the most successful niches, here's the huge list for you. So the number one is personal finance, travel, fitness, personal development or self-improvement, relationships, lifestyle, real estate, gadgets and technology, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, health, WordPress, photography, interior design, DIY projects, social media, frugal living, homeschooling, a healthy diet, recipes or cooking, productivity, retirement, entertainment, video marketing, YouTube, pets, digital nomad lifestyle and living, meditation or yoga, home automation, drones, knitting, solar power, electric cars, graphic design. So the above list of niche ideas contains a list of evergreen niches and trending currently popular niches. So pick the one that interests you and evaluate your niche by doing competitor research and analyzing on Google Trends. So I hope you like these ideas, and that is niche ideas. So if you really want to start a blog, you just go ahead with this topic, get your loved ideas and jump into the blogging journey. This is Neeraj Kumar Singh signing out until we meet again. Bye bye.